Today I'm shooting from this beautiful garden to get my daily dose of vitamin D. Did you know actually that most of the Indians are vitamin D deficient? So there is only one solution: get out of your houses and get into this sun, which will give you your daily requirement of vitamin D. Apart from that, guys, I discovered that most of Indians are deficient in vitamin B12. So how to get that? No, you can't get it from the sun, but you can get it from eating meat products. So today on my menu is chicken kebabs and chicken cutlets. I want to tell you guys that this recipe wins over the European preparation of the same kind because of Indian flavors, of Indian masalas, which I will be using in this preparation. So it makes it really superb, and I'm adding to it, of course, my customized elements. So it will be quite interesting and delicious, mouth-watering and amazing, guys. Please follow me for this recipe. Follow me. I will be using 2 big onions for our kebab, since we want the kebabs to be juicy, soft and not dry. So now let's grate these onions. I have grated the onions, guys, but you can easily use a grinder and grind it coarse, since grating it is not that easy. So now let's proceed to saute this onion paste. In a hot fry pan, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter. We need to add butter, guys, in the kebab, since fat is very important for chicken kebab, since chicken does not have any fat. So I used a good big spoon of butter, and to this I will be adding the onion paste. Usually the raw onions are used for kebabs, but the juice of these onions is not very good for the kebabs, since the juice will give us a raw flavor of onions and will not help us in binding. So let us saute these onions till all the juice got evaporated and the paste is translucent. I will be adding to the onion paste some garlic, 1 ginger piece and 1 chili, green chili. Our onions have got a buttery aroma and they started to get a brownish color. At this point of time, we will add the garlic. I'm grating the ginger. Just stir it for another 50 seconds or so. We don't need to fry it anymore, as we will like to have the raw flavor of garlic, ginger and chili. I'm using this super fresh, delicious chicken mince. You can find the link to it in the description box below. It's very fresh, guys, and very good. To this chicken mince, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, cumin seeds powder called in English, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, dhania powder in Hindi, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, which doesn't have an English name, 1 teaspoon of red Kashmiri chili powder, which is red but is not spicy, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and our onion paste. I'm adding some salt to taste. One big heaped spoon of gram flour, or besan it is called in Hindi. This is used for binding, guys. So let's mix everything together. I will be adding some lemon juice of half of the lemon, squeezing in, and continue mixing. The mixture should be of very smooth consistency. Add some oil to a hot fry pan. We are not going to deep fry the kebabs. Heat it, and now let's proceed to assembling our kebabs. Taken some oil in a katori, which will help me in assembling the kebabs. Now I will be taking a bowl, not very big bowl since my sticks are really small. And try to assemble it nicely on this stick. Now put it on the fry pan, in the fry pan. If you don't have sticks, guys, you can just fry them as cutlets. We will fry them nicely on all the sides on low flame. We don't want them to burn from outside and not get cooked from inside. I'm extracting my first kebab, guys. I can even use my hands for the same, but don't try that. It has been frying for around 5 minutes. 2 are still frying. Let me show you guys one kebab. You can extract the stick if you want. This is how it looks from inside. It is very soft and cooked. Very yummy, guys. You can see. From the remaining mixture, guys, I will be making cutlets since I have only 4 sticks. So let's make cutlets now, guys. Now I'm making cutlets, guys. It's much easier. You don't have to assemble them on the stick. Round, small, flat. If you make it thicker, you will have to fry it for longer.